Hello guys, how are you doing? This is Yogesh Sharma from San Francisco Bay Area. I just want to let you know that I got my hair transplant done in 2021 from DHI Safdarjung, New Delhi, and I'm very happy with my results. So I got my hair transplant done in November 2021, and it's been 7 months, and I'm very happy with my results. I'm a 53-year-old man. Do I look 53? Maybe, maybe not. But people do come to me and tell me that Yogi, you definitely look very young with your new hair. So I'm very impressed. So I'm very happy. If you want to get your hair transplant done, do not look any further. Go to DHI Safdarjung, New Delhi. Thank you. Bye bye.